after the chaos of iron and flame subsided. Many creatures baked by the witches scattered across the world. Among them were the five cookies graced with soul jam of the purest kind, wise and powerful. They rallied others to their cause. As kings and queens, they ruled the cookies, bringing in a golden age of peace and prosperity. But this age was not fated to last. A harbinger of darkness appeared and let shadow and evil infest the land. And once more, the world erupted into chaos. But the five cookie heroes, guardians of peace, have risen. Twilight covered the land, and the war for destiny begins.
Oh no, what a horrible sight!
The whole place is covered in cookie crumbs.
Foul, sticky cream. The stench of burnt butter in the air.
What on earth, Bread, is going on here?
It's not good. Dark Enchantress Cookie has declared war on the Vanilla Kingdom.
The cookie who has brought the Cake Monster army into our lands?
Yes. She attacked while I was occupied elsewhere.
Ha! That's gotta be some hard flour for such a brazen strike.
We must find Dark Enchantress Cookie quickly. Let us make haste.
Darkness, begone!
Out of my way!
And so, upon the ruins of your home, we finally meet. You're rather late to your own demise.
Dark Enchantress Cookie, what is the meaning of this?
Do you know the real reason why we cookies were created?
What rancid nonsense are you peddling now?
Now, think for a moment. I hope it's not too hard. Why do we exist?
That's easy. To live and be happy all together. That's exactly why we were brought into this world. Happiness, Dark Enchantress Cookie. That's what it's all about.
Oh, really? And when, pray tell, are you the happiest? Well, when you fall down and crumble? Or when you become, dare I say it, soggy?
We are together, in peace and in battle. This is our strength.
So true. We love and thank our creators for our deliciously sweet bodies and unique talents. And there is no hardship we cannot overcome. Together.
Rubbish! Fools! All of you! I shall show you the tragic error of your ways. Right here. Right now!
The Cake Witch is channeling energy. We must use the pause to avert her next attack. I will not falter!
Listen, we can win this battle.
I will not falter!
Darkness, begone!
And kneel before me!
Darkness, begone!
I will not falter!
Kneel before me! Out of
dare you? Nothing can stop me, especially you.
Dark Enchantress Cookie! No!
Yes! Simply marvelous! Say goodbye to your soul jam. It's all mine. I have waited an eternity for this moment. It is time to reap the fruits of my promise and share my brilliant vision with the world. In the wake of the massive explosion, the heroes and Dark Enchantress Cookie vanished. The cookies, having lost their 5 greatest heroes, struggled to hold back the terrifying forces of the darkness. The vast civilization of cookies began to crumble. As time passed, when even the whispers of once grand kingdoms and poems of epic heroes died out, an ordinary cookie opened his eyes to find himself in a witch's rickety oven. Ginger Brave had risen.
Would you stop chasing me? Dead end? Seriously? Nowhere to run. But guess what? That's okay. It's go time! Let's do this. Coming through! Here I come! Here I come! Wait, are you kidding? Seriously? I won? Oh no! No! I'm crumbling! I don't feel well.
Hello in there! Wakey, wakey! Rise and shine! Up, up, up!
Oh, what?
Wake up!
Wait, where am I? Oh yeah.
Ah! Wake up, Ginger Brave! Finally awake you are.
Oh, hi, Ginger Brave. Are you okay?
Strawberry cookie? Wizard cookie? You ditched the witch too? Seriously? Oh, that's amazing!
Yeah. Oh boy. Okay, here's the thing. It was horrible! The witch was horrible! I woke up from the heat, and the witch was eating a cookie! Suddenly it got so dark, I couldn't see. I was blind! Then I realized my hood was over my eyes. I ran away and ended up here. I thought the witch would hear my steps. Oh, but I got lucky. Phew! That's how I escaped and got here.
Huh. Good for you, Strawberry Cookie. The witch was really scary. But hold on. Who are you guys? You're not cookies!
We are the Sugar Gnomes. We found you in the woods and brought you here. This is heart-melting. So many cookies in one place. It's our big chance to rebuild the Cookie Kingdom.
So cool! Wait, what's a kingdom?
Don't you know this place, this very place, used to be a kingdom? The cookies left long ago, but we Sugar Gnomes waited and waited and waited and waited. Oh, waited so long we have. Tootida! It's your kingdom now. Now, it needs a name.
Kingdom? No offense, but these look like some old, sad, forgotten ruins.
Well, it looks like ruins now, yes. But indeed, a glorious kingdom once it was.
Wizard Cookie, reset. Try some optimism. Come on, this is amazing! A kingdom of our own!
Really? You're serious? Okay, Ginger Brave. One key question. How many cookies do you see?
3 cookies.
Ah, very good. And now, which one do you think should get to rule this so-called kingdom?
I don't know.
Ginger Brave, do you have any idea what a kingdom is? Be honest. Do you have even the slightest pick?
Hey, no fighting! Not allowed! We'll build a cookie house for you. But curious we are. What's up, Piccadilly?
Wait, did you say a cookie house?
Correct, kind sir. A place to rest, a home.
A home of our own? For real? It's a cookie house. I am so unbelievably psyched! I love it!